Guys, we are at Salt River. See how Salt River going?
Your special day and the sunlight, candles lit and wishes pure, divine. You're the queen for sure. Presents wrapped in shades of gold, stories of you still left untold. Every moment glittering true. Today we're here to
So people, they might get ready to go swim. See my family them.
okay to celebrate you. Celebrate you. Okay to celebrate.
Hello, Jordan. You can't wait for going to water. Go take off your. You want to change your clothes? You want to change your clothes? Alright, come and go put on your slippers.
Friends gather round.
Come.
Big water.
Oh yeah.
That's what I tell him. And he said when, I said now. That's how he come out.
That is
Yeah.
good.
So that's what I'm going to
Yeah, I tell him.
Auntie brought you to the big water.
Yeah, I said, Auntie go bring in the big water. He said when, I said now.
Really?
Yeah,
Go,
come out.
But you're still shining.
They're not, no, but they're doing shots. I'm doing video now.
Now you talking. Now
Welcome to Jamaica,
thank you. Please.
the land of food and water.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let me tell you. Yeah, man. You have to get some cold drink for me now. Meal. Tell you.
What kind of drink you want?
Cold Henneken will do.
Look at where you never take no part. And where? You want me get raffle, you want me to get
Candles lit and wishes pure, divine. You're the queen for sure.
You like it?
Presents wrapped in shades of gold,
Nice juice.
stories of you still left untold. Every moment glittering.
If you want to go out from here. You cannot come out from here because me and OJ and Bag and these drinks they will fall down, okay?
Celebrate you, divine. Okay to celebrate you today. Who is this? Celebrate you, divine. Okay to celebrate you today. Friends gather round with laughter loud.
for the water? Water? Oh, it's not me for the water. Now I can't, I don't want to go for the water. Can we check him now for the water? Let me put my
Where your phone?
animal.
So guys,
Woke up this morning
that's the family.
smile so bright. Your special day and the sun candles lit and wishes pure. Divine, you're the queen.
Show them mommy. It's called mommy.
Stories of you still left untold.
No, they have to edit it and press the right.
I know.
Today we celebrate you. Okay to celebrate you today. Let's celebrate you divine. Okay to celebrate you today.
Where's the brother? Where's the brother?
Friends gather round with laughter loud. Raise a glass within this crowd.
Okay,
Hearts beating rhythm
back.
for you.
Come.
Divine, you know it's only true. Years gone by, but you're still shining.
Okay.
Moments passing are so divine. Life's a journey and it's your time. We lift you up, no need to cry. Who is this celebrate you divine? Okay to celebrate you today. Who is this celebrate you divine? Okay to celebrate you today. Ooh,
Here we were in a South River, and it was as nice as usual. 3 years ago, we were there, and to me, it seemed like if the water was clearer or cleaner that time. Or is it because there seems to be more people here today? But honestly, it seemed as if the water was better 3 years ago. By then, I did swim. I went into the water. It was okay, nice. But this time around, we arrived, and the water doesn't look as clean as I believed it could be. And the restaurants, so many restaurants and so many roastings and smokes. Everywhere is smoke, everywhere. Well, it is business, it is okay, but the smokes are just lots. To my own opinion, if it could be organized better so that all the kitchens will be one side, and maybe a central music, a central DJ, so that it wouldn't be just music here, there, here, there, and I think that would be better. South River, big up, we love you.